Some mornings you don't wait for the marina to wake up. You just go. This is the Sunseeker 88 yacht, built in Poole, England since 1969. Every one of these is shaped for long days on the water. This one just gives you more of it. 3 engine choices, all shaft-driven, built for real range, enough to run the whole coastline without a second thought about fuel. Open it up and she's still finding another gear when other yachts this size are done. Swim platform drops. Beach club opens below. Twin staircases to a sunbed set right at the waterline. You're in before the anchor's even settled. Seabobs are already stowed and ready, tucked into their own lockers. Want to jet ski along instead? The Flybridge crane handles it. Up top, a wet bar and grill turn the Flybridge into the real gathering spot, with an infinity spa for when the sun goes down. Below, everyone gets their own corner to land. The owner's suite set right on the beam, wide enough to feel like a room, not a berth. But the real living happens outside. This is a boat built around getting to the water fast and staying there. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.